can fix the Facebook Marketplace is not available to your iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you that how you can fix this issue. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go into your iPhone settings. Now from here, you have to go in the general and you have to click on the iPhone storage. From here, you have to scroll down and go in the Facebook, and from here you have to simply offload the app. Now basically it will free up the storage that is used by the app but keep all of its documents and the data. So basically you are reinstalling your Facebook, and after that you just have to go back and go into your app store. From here you have to go in the search and simply search for the Facebook. From here you have to click on it and make sure that your Facebook application is updated, and after that you just have to open this and click on this menu icon that is in the bottom right corner. From here you have to again scroll down and go in the help and support. From here you have to click on this report a problem and again click on it. Now from here you have to include all of these logs and the diagnostics in your report. From here you have to select the feature of the marketplace, and from here you have to simply report your problem that your marketplace is not available into your Facebook, and you can also add the screenshot if you want, and you have to make sure that you add your username and your email address. Once you add it, you just have to send this report, and after that you have to wait for them to respond to your report. So this is the only way that you can fix your Facebook Marketplace is not available to your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.